Egbo is a local delicacy common among people from Oyo, Osun, Kwara, and more. It is made from peeled white corn. It is usually eaten with onion-flavored oil, stew, and of course beans. And I want to take you through the process today. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make Egbo. Like I said, Egbo is made from dried white corn, the same type used for making pap. But we don't just cook dried white corn like that, it has to be peeled. So what we do is to take it to the commercial grinding machine operators and they will peel it for you, take out the skin, and in the process break the kernels into these smaller pieces. So I have washed mine and I will throw it into the pot. I have 3 cups here. Add enough water and cover to cook. While that is cooking, I will start cooking beans as well. It has to go with Egbo. Just to mention that my beans has been thoroughly washed with hot water. It is also very possible to find already peeled corn in some markets, so you just buy and go. The beans will soon be ready, so I added salt and more water and continued cooking that. Checking on the Egbo as well, this is some 40 minutes later. It has absorbed all the water I started with. That's a lot of water, as you saw. So at this point, I'm going to add salt and more water and continue cooking it. This is not ready. It needs to be mushy and look like porridge. Yes, that's how Egbo looks. If you're enjoying this recipe, kindly click the like button to encourage me. Alright, we need stew to eat Egbo, and it is made just using a blend of peppers and tomatoes. Here I have a little bit of tomatoes, cayenne pepper, red scotch bonnet, and tatashe, that's red bell peppers with onions of course. So I just gave that a rough blend. I will set that aside, but before I go on to fry the stew, there's something that is very synonymous to Egbo, and that is this onion flavored oil. It is very simple, just vegetable oil and onions. You fry the onions like this. It is usually used to eat Egbo, and some people, they even eat their Egbo with just this flavored oil. And at this point, after frying the onions for just a few minutes, I will take it off the heat and proceed to fry the pepper sauce itself, starting with onions, of course, fried to translucent. Then I added the pepper mix, which I blended, and stock cube and pomo. Because the pomo is tough, it has to go in very early. After a few more minutes, I will add fried fish. You can use smoked fish if you like. There's really nothing much to this stew. Just fry it really well, like the usual atadidi. And some 40 minutes after adding salt and more water, this is what the Egbo looks like. Mushy, super soft, looking so good and ready for my mouth. If you have a pressure cooker, you can use that to get this done, but don't worry about Egbo getting cooked on time. Peeled corn doesn't take long to cook like the unpeeled one, so at this point, the plain beans was also ready. Everything was happening just in time, and the stew as well, looking good and ready. I immediately helped myself to a plate of this deliciousness. If you know and eat Egbo, let me know in the comments when last you had this. I also do hope that this recipe reminds you to make Egbo very soon. It is very easy to make, as you can see, and the ingredients are readily available. I mean, you can get corn around you. White corn is in abundance. I do want you to try this delicious recipe and share your feedback with me on Instagram or leave a comment here for me. Instagram is at foodieremrem. If you're new to my channel, please don't leave without giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. It will make me so happy. Bye-bye.